Mosman Village is an incredible place when it comes to world-class boutique fashion, high-end dining, casual cafes, and lifestyle. It's arguably the best village offering in Australia. Hi, I'm Stefon Bertram, and welcome to another Pello property. This home is sure to impress, ideally located a stone throw from Mosman Village and positioned in arguably the most sought after location when it comes to whisper quiet living with a leafy street. Let's go have a look around. Entering this home, you're instantly met with endless scope for future improvement. When it comes to the period features, hardwood floors or soaring high ceilings, there's just so much you can do to this property to add value and make it your own. As you enter the property, you're met with a selection of living areas, as well as the kitchen, ideally positioned at the rear of the property, all complemented by a private, low-maintenance courtyard at the rear of the home. The accommodation for this property is generous across a flexible floor plan of either 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms with some minor work. The 4th bedroom is ideally located upstairs and could easily be an oversized family room or rumpus area. The location for this property is second to none. Apart from Mosman Village being at your doorstep, you're also gifted with regular government transport at the end of the street, as well as popular parks, schools, and everything else you want in that modern, convenient lifestyle. After walking through this home, you can really feel that it is so rare and unique to have a blank canvas so close to Mosman Village. If there's any questions, or if you would like to book in a private viewing, please give me a call. If not, we will see you at the next inspection.